Hello and welcome to video number 3, which is planning your sales funnel. So before we can jump right in and start mapping out your sales funnel so that you can visually see what it looks like, it's crucial to gather all the data and customize this planning process to you. So I want you to begin to think, how does this impact me as you begin to watch this video? So the whole goal here is just to jot everything down. You don't have to organize anything at this very moment. In other words, what we need to do is we need to figure out what types of products that you are going to sell, how you're going to be delivering those products and services, and how you're going to make sure that you have the right items that you can enter into the shopping cart platform. So here's some questions that you need to answer and document. And I want to make sure that as you go through this process, you're constantly asking the question, how is this going to impact me? How is this going to impact my customers? What is this going to create as far as a blueprint and an attack plan? So the first question is, what is your front end offer? You obviously need to know this. You're going to need to have your sales pages and your download pages before you can set JVZoo up. But what is your front end offer? Is it a video course? Is it a software product? What is it? Jot that down. Jot down the price. Jot down who's going to support that product, and basically write everything you can about that product and write down. Don't worry about organizing it or anything right now. Just figure out what is your front end product. Is it an ebook? Is it a report? What is it? And then, how many one-time offers do you have? Do you have 1? Do you have 2? Do you have 3? And we can talk about order later down the road, but it might be a good idea to think about, okay, what will appear after the front-end offer? Will this one appear after the front-end offer? Do I have another one that appears after that one-time offer? Kind of get an idea of the order right now, but we can iron that out in the next video. And then think about, what formats are they in? Are they video format? Are they audio format? Are they PDF format? Are they doc format? If they're video format, are you utilizing YouTube? Are you uploading files to YouTube? Or are you uploading files to Vimeo for video hosting and then embedding that on your download page? Because you want to have an idea of that so that when you do create your download page and your sales page, which we're not really going to cover in this course, we're having the assumption that you already have the sales page and you already have the download page. But I want you to have these ideas so that when it comes to creating those, it's just going to be easier for you. And then how are you going to deliver them, as we talked about it? Zip files, YouTube, Vimeo, or SoundCloud. So that's it. That's all you need to do. Figure out the front end offer, one-time offer, how many one-time offers, the price point, the download page, the sales page, all that. Just jot that down right now. And now we'll move on to video number 4 and visually map things out.